Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will talk about support vector machine algorithm and uh, let's perform SVM on dataset. Okay. In simple terms, SVM is a supervised machine learning algorithm that helps in classification, regression, uh, and it can basically classification regression, and it works best on binary classification data sets. So basically when your target feature has 0 or 1 or yes and no, alive or dead, etc. And examples of where SVM is widely used is text classification, image classification, spam detection, etc. Let's With that said, let's go ahead and uh, start our notebook. All right. So let's first things first. Let's import our libraries as np, import pandas as pd, import cbon as sns, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and control enter to execute. Now let's read our data set. df is equal to pd dot read csv. I named my data set as wine, so there you go. Let's see how it looks. This will print the first 5 rows. Yeah, this is how data set looks, and I'm going to take quality as my target feature. Let's go ahead and see how our data set looks like. We have 13 columns, 13 features, and yeah, that's basically it. And let's see the shape of it. Basically, shape provides number of rows and number of columns of uh, our data set. df.shape. Wait, it's supposed to work. Oh, maybe, yeah, there you go. So we have 1143 rows and 13 columns. Let's go ahead and see how my target feature function looks like. df, uh, okay, quality value count. So alone, this alone will print your of target feature. But if I want to see the unique values and the count of unique values, you use a value count function and enter. There you go. So I have 483 records that says it has quality of 5, and likewise for all other quality values. Let's go ahead and fill the missing values inside the quality feature with the mean value. How do you do that? We use this. So df quality quality quality, and we also fill. So this is your fill na with mean. So I don't want to just keep it as 0. I want to fill it with the mean here. So how do you do that? Fill na in df. Wait, it's very confusing. Fill in, then you have df quality mean perfect. This is how it is done. And after that, let's start performing our SVM on our dataset. Now, what do we do first? Let's import the libraries that helps in performing the SVM. So from sklearn, sklearn.model selection, import train test split. This is one. All right. Then we have from sklearn, you have .svm and import svc. Done. Now that our library is imported, let's perform x equal to df dot not dot df, and here we have to include all the columns. All right. So how, now instead of sitting and typing all the columns one by one, we use this columns. There you go. We have everything given here. Control C and Control V. Now that our X is done, let's go to our Y and DF quality. Perfect. Now let's start training our dataset. X train, comma X test, Y train, Y test. Perfect. Now here these values you can change it to however you like. Doesn't really matter. All right. I mean it does matter. My bad, but it does matter. But you can just keep it as this for now. Let's go ahead and SVC model is equal to SVC kernel equal to linear. Since we're performing linear SVM, that's why I picked linear. If it is something else, you can write something else there. SVC dot model fit. You have to fit the uh, training of X and training of Y. Then SVC score. We need to find the score as well, right? My bad. SVC model score. Perfect. There you go. This will take about a minute, I guess, but let's go ahead and wait for it. And yeah, it's perfect. So I have a score of 1, which is really good actually. Now let's check uh, SVCY train prediction. Train prediction that is equal to PD dot series SVC model predict X train. Perfect. Now that this is done, let's see the count of it. SVC Y train predict dot value count. There you go. This is how our Y prediction looks. Y test prediction. Now we need to do the same thing for our training as well. So our testing as well. So let's go ahead and keep test here. And this is our test and test. Perfect. Now that this is also done, let's go ahead and form the confusion matrix. So for the confusion matrix, there's already a sub-library present in sklearn. Sklearn matrix import confusion matrix report. That's exactly it. I don't know how it's getting to know what I'm doing, but yeah. Confusion matrix, Y train, SVC, Y train, pred, perfect. This is how our confusion matrix looks like. Now let's perform a report of it to see how it has performed. Very simple. Print classification report. Exactly. Classification report Y train, comma SVCY test prediction. Perfect. There you go. So we have an accuracy of 100. I mean, this is very unrealistic having accuracy of 100. But yes, based on my data set, this is the accuracy that I've got. And yeah, this concludes about the SVM functioning and in SVM functioning. I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys have any other further questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.